This is one of the art installations on Blackpool seafront down South Shore. It's called Sound of the Wind, looks like this. The idea being there are some wind turbines that power a number of lights around here when it's windy to show you what the wind looks like. As you can probably hear in the background, it's quite windy at the moment, but let's look at the turbines. Yeah, that's not generating much electricity. About the wind meters. They seem to be jammed as well. And no, I don't think that's going to light anything tonight. So these columns behind me, it should light up. As you can see,